August 2023. We're at Formby on a 1930s cycle track built parallel both sides, the dual carriageway. Part of the Ministry Transport design said that there must be a cycle track each way. This has been here since 1930, nearly 100 years ago. Sefton Council got some money from the government and currently upgrading it further up to a better surface and a separate path for pedestrians. But behind us we've got a massive traffic set of lights that is a real pain to cross. 3 separate junctions, and up here we've got a roundabout. The path goes behind us for about another 1.5 miles to road car. Notice the crash barrier, nothing to segregate those cyclists from speeding drunk and drunk drivers. 60 miles an hour. Hopefully they'll get average speed cameras on it next year or this year even. Crossing points there, no lights, take your life in your hand. Bit better surface here, but due to the muck on the path, looks like it floods. Another junction here, so we have to slow right down. Stop, look behind, look forward, cross the road. And I've got the diesel just pulled out, look at the crap out of that. Hanging through. And then we get to this roundabout. I'll put this